Hi and welcome to another video in our series analyzing top PMS in India. In today's video, we'll be exploring the Diversified Long-Term Value Fund by Counter Cyclical Investments. You can check out our previous videos by clicking the info button, where we've covered PMS schemes from Abacus Asset Manager, Stallion Asset, 361, ValueQuest, and many more. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, including the fund's basic details, investment strategy, portfolio composition by market cap, holdings and sectors, insights about the fund manager, investment details including fees and lock-in periods, returns generated, and tax implications on your earnings from the Diversified Long-Term Value Fund by Counter Cyclical Investments. Let's start with the basic details. This scheme was launched on 3rd of July 2019. This PMS scheme currently manages assets worth of around 788 crore rupees. The objective of the strategy is to generate maximum risk-adjusted returns for their clients. Now let's move on to the investment strategy. They invest in quality businesses available at reasonable or deep discounts, focusing on small companies with strong niche leadership, low valuations, healthy cash flows, low capex needs, and minimal dilution. They also prefer promoters with strong execution, companies with pricing power, operational efficiency, regular buybacks, and scope for earnings and multiple expansion. Let's look at the portfolio mix by market cap size. Regarding the portfolio composition, large cap accounts for 1.34% of the total, mid cap accounts for 0.52%, small cap accounts for 95.53%, and cash accounts for 1.64% of the fund. Now let's delve into the top 5 holdings of the fund. Here are the top 5 holdings of the Diversified Long-Term Value Fund by Counter Cyclical Investments. These are Venky's Limited, Garware Hitech Films Limited, MPS Limited, Ambika Cotton Mills Limited, and Genberg Pharmaceuticals Limited. Let's now look at the top 5 sector exposures. Here's a breakdown of its top 5 sector exposures, which includes capital goods, chemicals, fast-moving consumer goods, textiles, and healthcare. Now let's look at the fund managers of the scheme. The current fund manager is Mr. Gunit Singh Narang. He has done MA Economics from Delhi School of Economics, and he is also NISM certified. Mr. Gunit have half a decade of experience in credit risk management and market research at American Express and Wells Fargo. Now let's take a look at the investment details of the fund. The Diversified Long-Term Value Fund by Counter Cyclical Investments is a focused PMS with a minimum investment requirement of 50 lakh rupees. There is 2% of exit load if investment is redeemed within 1 year, nil after that. The fee structure is a profit-sharing fee of 20% on profits generated above the 10% hurdle. Now let's look at the returns generated by the fund. In the last 2 years, the fund generated 11.75%, while the benchmark returned 11.64%. For the 3-year period, the fund delivered 25.11%, outperforming the benchmark's 16.40%. For the 5-year period, the fund delivered 43.86%, outperforming the benchmark's 16.82%. Since inception, the fund has generated 47.03% of return, while benchmark gave 16.03%. Now let's take a look at the taxability of earnings from this PMS. First, capital gains taxation. If the PMS stocks are sold after 1 year from the date of investment, gains up to rupees 1.25 lakh in a financial year are exempt from tax. Gains over rupees 1.25 lakh are taxed at the rate of 12.5%. If the PMS stocks are sold within 1 year from the date of investment, the entire amount of gain is taxed at the rate of 20%. Second, dividend taxation. Dividends are added to the income of the investors and taxed according to their respective tax slabs. If an investor's dividend income exceeds rupees 5,000 in a financial year, the fund house also deducts a TDS of 10% before distributing the dividend. That's all for today. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more research-based financial content. Don't forget to click the bell icon for alerts on potential multi-bagger stocks. Got a PMS scheme in mind that you want us to cover? Just let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.